India and the United States have signed the PEC Silica Declaration at the India AI Impact Summit in New Delhi today. The declaration will strengthen collaboration in areas like the production of critical minerals and semiconductors in the rapidly evolving artificial intelligence space to create a safe and strong global silicon and technology ecosystem. Presiding over the signing ceremony, Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology Ashwani Vaishnav has said that the goal of India is to take a leadership role in semiconductor and electronic industries. Mr. Vaishnav said India's talented engineers are designing the most complex and advanced 2-nanometer chips. He added that the semiconductor industry requires more than 10 lakh talented pool and that will be fulfilled within the year. He also informed that students from 315 universities and colleges are designing chips. At the signing ceremony, the US Ambassador to India, Sergio Gore, said that from the trade deal to PEC Silica to defense cooperation, the potential of India and US to work together is truly limitless. He said that the coalition is being formed to shape the 21st century economics and technological order, securing the full silicon stake from critical minerals and chip manufacturing to AI development. Mr. Gore noted that PEC Silica aims to replace coercive dependence with trusted industrial partnership that empowers free markets. He underlined that the partnership seeks to advance trusted AI globally, emphasizing that peace comes through strength. The Report News Now.